Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're going to go over what I sold in January. Even though I didn't really do too much on eBay because I was in a bit of a lull, I wasn't really into it at that time. Some things still did sell though, so I want to go through those with you guys today. So yeah, this is what we sold in January. This is an overall view. So as you can see, I sold 13 items. For a total of $268. This is gross, with an average sale price of $20 per item. I didn't purchase any items last month, so this is why this is all blank here. But I'll just scroll down. I'll just show you what my 2020 goals are, and my monthly goals, so to speak, as well. But my 2020 goals is a total of 1,200 items listed, 600 sold with a sale price of about $15,000 gross, with our average sale price of $25. So that's going to require me to source about 1,500 items for the year, hoping to keep that under 7,500. With average buy price of about $5. So each month, I'll show you guys this spreadsheet, and we can track it together. But as I'm starting to get really back into it in February, I'm really a little bit behind because I didn't really do much of January. But that's all right. That's fine. We can try and catch up. So let's go through the items that we sold. So first up, I sold this Thomas Cook men's dress shirt, long sleeve, button front. These are really good. This is a really good brand to sell, Thomas Cook. Every time I see it in really good nick, I grab it. They usually sell quite well. But yeah, I sold that for a total of $24 plus shipping. We've got another shirt here, a super dry, size small. Size small doesn't sell too often, but when it does, it's good. Get it out the door. But I sold this one for $20 with free shipping. Again, size small, they don't tend to sell too well, but yeah, glad to got that one out the door. Next we have a Zara Man, size medium. This is another long sleeve button front shirt. Yeah, as you can see, this is the first Zara Man one I've picked up and sold, for that matter. But I got a total of $16 plus postage on that one. This is just a DVD I had lying around. I chucked it up, and someone bought it. But I've now decided to take all media off this eBay account. I'm going to chuck all my media up on a different eBay account, just to keep them separate, because otherwise it's going to affect my average sale price if I sell too many DVDs on this account, as you can imagine. But yeah, I sold this one for $4.80 for free postage. Yeah, I just send it with in an envelope, just one stamp, easy enough. Next one's this Wild Country men's shirt. It's like an outdoor recreation shirt. I had this one sitting around for quite a while, probably nearly over a year, I reckon. But yeah, we finally got it out the door for $24.80 with free ship. Next one is this Levi's women's, size small again. I don't pick up too many women's clothes because I feel a bit funny shopping in the women's section at the op shop. But anyway, I'm not sure where I picked this one up, to be honest. But yeah, we got this one out the door for $15.65 plus postage. So it's not good to get another small one out the door. This is just a cookbook that I had sitting around. Someone bought this for $8. Yeah, I do tend to sell books on this store as well, but I'm thinking I might pull them down as well, put them up on my other other store. We'll just see how we go. But yeah, sold this one for $8 plus postage as well. We sold a Ben Sherman shirt, bread and butter item for me. Dress shirt. They've come down in price quite a lot since I first started thrifting them, but they still sell quite well. So yeah, we got this one out the door for $24 plus postage. Now the next two items, same buyer bought them both. They're both Nordica brand, but one's shorts and the other one are pants. They're basically same colour, same style. Same seller bought them both. I think in total for about $38, I think, around about that, plus postage. So he got a good deal, and I freed up a little bit of room too. So yeah. Next time we got this Nike size large polo golf shirt. These are really good condition. This one's quite a nice shirt, actually, nice colour. And that one sold pretty quickly, I think. So yeah, we got rid of that one for about $16 plus postage. Rod and gun shirt. You can't go wrong with rod and gun, that's for sure. But yeah, this is a size medium, which is pretty rare in size medium, I find. I usually get like large or extra large, or even quite a lot bigger than that. But yeah, we got this one out the door for $20 plus postage. And the last item is just this book I had lying around as well. It's Gallipoli. It's quite a thick book. It was very thick, as you can see there. But yeah, we sold that one for $12 plus postage. So I'll go back and we'll just look at the year overall. So as you can see, my gross sales for January are $268. Inventory costs, well, I didn't buy any inventory, so that is zero. But as you can see here, a few expenses. So shipping $81.70, eBay fees $57.24, and PayPal fees $10.56. So a total of $149.50. So my net profit for the month was $118.58. So it's a pretty good passive income, considering I didn't really do too much to eBay in the month of January, but I still made $120 odd, which is really good. So, but yeah, I'm going to get back into it in February. Hopefully we can boost those numbers up, and yeah, let's head towards those goals that I've set myself for the year. Yeah, thanks guys, I really appreciate you stopping by, checking out my video. Please like and subscribe, that would really help me out to get this channel up and running. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks, bye.